Hey guys, my name is Rahul. Welcome to RKSD here. Today I am showing you how to install Android L Sony Xperia SP. Let's start. Download link description. This is Android L Xperia SP ROM. This is a GF's Xperia SP. And how to download? Go to Chrome and type Android Villa.blogspot.in and hit enter. And now go to learning option and Sony Xperia and Sony Xperia SP, click and click to Sony Xperia SP. How to install Android L 5.0.2 and drag down, and here method how to install and drag down and click here to download ROM, GApps and root access and copy it to all files to SD card. Paste here SD card and now power off your device and go to recovery mode, power on your device and press volume up, and now we going to sit down in recovery mode. And now first go to wipe data factory reset, click power button to select and wipe all user data, and now wipe cache partition, wipe cache, and third option is go to advanced and wipe devil cache, and now go back and install zip, choose where you copy. I am copy SD card 1 and go to SD card and choose your Android L 5.0.2 ROM. This is my CM12 Android L 5.0.2 ROM, and power button to select and yes, install, power button to select, and my Android L 5.0.2 ROM is installing. Now you see and my installation complete, and go to SD card again and now install GApps Google Apps for Lollipop and power button to install, and now installing Google Apps for Android 5.0. And now my install complete. Go back and reboot your system now. Power button to select, no, and my device is restarting, and this is a new Cyanogen Mode 12 boot animation. And now you see my device is start. Choose your country. My country is English, India. Next, and wait for seconds and skip these steps, skip and skip. Now you show my device is start. First boot is laggy, don't panic. And now I'm show you this is my Android L 5.0 ROM. Just wait, apps is loading and go to settings, about, and now you see this is my Android 5.0 ROM and 2 is coming. Lollipop. This is Android L official Lollipop game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel if you like my videos.